Welcome to this section on reading data using pandas. Data come in different formats, but in this video I'm going to explain how to read data that is in CSV, Excel, JSON and HTML format. To read data that is in CSV format, we use pd.read_CSV, then passing the path to the CSV data. Let's save the resulting data frame to df. Let's use .head to see the data frame. So we're able to get the CSV data. So now let's see how to read Excel or data that is in Excel format. So to read data that is in Excel format, we change this to read_Excel. So I copy the path, paste it here, run. So we got the data. So let's read data that is in JSON format. Copy the data, copy the path to the data, paste it here, and then change this to JSON. JSON format is not like the other one. We have to specify lines equals to true. Then run. So we got the data. So that's it. So that's how to read data that is in CSV, Excel and JSON format into a data frame. The next one is going to be how to read data that is in HTML format. So to read data that is in HTML format, we use pd.read_HTML and then go to the web page we want to get data from. I want to get this EPL table. So I copy the URL and paste it here. Let's save the results as df, then run. First, let's see the number of tables that are on the web page. So we got only one table. So since we got only one table, I will use 0 to fetch the table itself. So these are table. These are table. It will not always be as straightforward as this. There are instances you have issues with your headers. You may have double headers here or more headers here. So in those instances, you have to specify header equals to 0 or 1 to select the header that you want. So there are also instances where you have more than one table. In those instances, you have to specify the table you want to select. You may have there may be 4 tables on the web page and you want to select only one. Unless you want to select the third table, so you just specify 2 here so that you get the third table. Okay, that's it for this section. See you in the next section.